welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my other account. If you know my friend had 100 members. I just want to say to you guys, and I said congrats, because he's my best friend, but only at Roblox, not real life. And over here, please subscribe to him because he's my best friend. So he's a boy, please. And I will send the link. And if you just wanna copy in the video right now, you can. So if you wanna see my friend group, so I will go to my to groups. So if you can see, he got 200 members, because if you know that I'm going to announce the winner of the. Oh my god. So I think so. Hello, yeah, thanks for the video. I give only my person as a purpose or random people. I don't know. So he's really my best friend ever, only at Roblox, because we met at interview center. It's actually at here, but I already had other best friends because I really like my best friends. So this video belongs to my friend. Well, I will announce you my besties, my best friend. There's only three best friends. Well, and three girl best friends. Well, in here, he's the first one. This is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third. And I will be showing you the other one. Over here. I'm going to announce the winner of the Music 100 Robux. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Well, this is my best friend. This one. Wait a minute, I lost them. It's okay. So this is my best friend, and where is the other one? Where's the other one? I couldn't find it. So if you know that that this and he is the best Roblox player, and he is my best friend. He's the best ever. So let's just play something. Let's go to games. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's go one more. I already played this. Oh, let's just go to runway rumble. Oh no. Let's go. Oh my styles. Nope. So, so let me see. Yes, I want this. So let's check it. And mother loading, 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 loading. Okay. So he's wrecking right now, recording, I think. Run. If you see my thoughts, don't just ask me what. Let's see. What is this? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. So let's just. Okay. Oh my god, what is this? Hey. How do we? So it's really cool. So it's kind of boring. So let's just go to over here. So guys, I think we'll end this video. So bye bye.